Guys, we just bought this, we just buying this bread and soda. Okay, and of course here I am. Good morning, good morning. Today my mom, she hired some of our workers to plant our rice. Actually guys, this is a really big rice field. As you can see, this part until those one, until the clean one, and then turn a little bit into right. That's whole thing that my mom working, and my nephew, that's my nephew Mac. He always help of my mom. No, I'm very grateful, blessed that I have nephews. If this is, you know what guys, every one of us has a purpose here in this world. That's what I realized. No, my nephew, he don't like to go to school, but this is, he really want, you know, go to this rice field, and this is his purpose as well in this world too, no, to help my mom as well. So as you can see, that's the seedlings, that's my nephews, and actually this is my childhood batchmates also as well, near in our barangays here. And my mom, she just hire them, you know. As you can see, this is how it's looking while they are planting now. You can see that, and that's classmate also of my brother as well. So you can see, no. So again, this is, as you can see, the clean one had a water, as you can see, then turn to a little bit right. Yeah, I'm facing them right, then all the way to the road. There's a road right there guys, as you can see, this tree, that's, there is another road there in the middle of the rice field as well. Actually in Hinungan, we are the biggest, I think, here in Southern Leyte, biggest rice gunnery, you know. So yeah, but again, we didn't own this rice field guys. There is a few blocks only that my mom, she owned, and mostly this one my mom, she just only caretaker. And shout out to the Tagnipis family, you know, because this one, 2, 3, very generous and very understanding owner. So well, anyway guys, I'm gonna end this vlog. My bonbon right there and my mom.